The market is heating up as we enter alt season, with Pepe leading the charge after the recent Fed rate cut. With altcoins surging and Pepe breaking out of its consolidation, we could be on the verge of a massive rally. Pepe's price could skyrocket by hundreds of %, so if you have any interest in pepecoin or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So, what is the latest Pepe news? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment #ShibaInu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 24th of September, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 839 units, with 5 zeros. Pepe's price is up 3% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.2 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $3.5 billion, ranking it as the 33rd most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Altcoins surge after Fed rate cut. Prices for altcoins are surging days after the U.S. Federal Reserve lowered interest rates by 50 basis points. Total 3, an index that tracks the market capitalization of the top 125 cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, has risen 6% since the U.S. central bank cut rates. Some altcoins, such as Solana and Bitcoin Cash, have gained as much as 10% since the rate cut announcement on September 18. The Federal Reserve's interest rate reduction has sent investors rushing back into riskier assets such as stocks and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's price has touched $64,000 in recent days, its highest level in more than a month. Analysts expect more gains in digital coins and tokens in coming months as the U.S. Federal Reserve telegraphs more rate cuts ahead. To add to this, Ether outperforms Bitcoin after Fed rate cut, suggests bullish sentiment. Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin since the U.S. Federal Reserve cut its federal funds rate by 50 basis points last Wednesday. Since the Fed initiated its first rate reduction in 4 years, Ether increased by over 16%, while Bitcoin increased by approximately 6% during the same period. Also, the Ethereum perpetual futures funding rate has flipped positive since the rate cut. This suggests bullish market sentiment for Ether, although there is a risk of a market correction if the optimism becomes excessive or there is a change in external factors. Ethereum performing well creates a great environment for ETH chain projects like Pepe to perform better. It is also a common indicator that we are entering alt season. This is a time in the market when altcoins tend to start exploding and Bitcoin dominance drops. This is the best time to get massive gains. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Pepe eyes break out as adoption and whale activity rises. Pepe has gained momentum with a 10.53% price increase in the last 24 hours. Over the past week, Pepe has seen an 8.06% rise. The price action remains characterized by lower highs and lower lows, highlighting a prolonged bearish trend since its peak. However, a potential breakout could change the momentum. Key resistance and support levels to watch. Pepe's price has been contained within a descending channel, with a well-defined resistance at 820 units. This level is significant as it represents the upper boundary of the channel, marking the first hurdle for bulls. A breakout above this resistance could signal a shift in momentum and open the door for a rally towards the next target of 1,330 units, a level that has acted as a significant resistance zone in the past. On the downside, support at 470 units is critical. This support aligns with the previous consolidation area, suggesting strong buying interest around this level. Should the price fail to break the 820-unit resistance, it may continue its downward trend, potentially retesting the lower support near 470 units. The relative strength index is currently at 53.09, indicating neutral momentum. This reading shows that Pepe is not in overbought or oversold conditions, leaving room for movement in either direction. The lack of a strong momentum signal from the RSI suggests that the market is in a state of indecision, awaiting a clear breakout or breakdown. Pepe gains momentum as adoption stabilizes. Recent data also indicates fluctuating net flows, with recent net inflows of $4.40 million on September 19, suggesting increased buying pressure. Despite these inflows, the price remains relatively stable, reflecting market caution. The gradual increase in new and active addresses indicates growing participation, with 602 new addresses and 2,000 active addresses recorded on September 18. According to a recent report by AMB Crypto, Pepe's adoption rate is showing a stable trend, reflecting continued engagement without signs of decline. This steady rate suggests that more traders are getting involved with Pepe, although the pace of adoption may not be as rapid as some enthusiasts might expect. Nevertheless, a constant adoption rate is generally seen as a bullish sign, indicating ongoing interest and participation in the Pepe market. Moreover, key indicators such as whale activity and this stable adoption rate contribute to a growing bullish outlook as the market approaches Q4 2024. Pepe price outperforms Doge, SHIB as whales cash out 18 million. Pepe overtakes Doge and SHIB. Pepe had emerged one of the underwhelming performers in the meme-coin markets over the past month. After hitting a new all-time high of 10,000 units on July, Pepe quickly devolved in a downward spiral as uncertain macroeconomic landscape exacerbated the profit-taking wave among short-term traders. However, the Pepe trends is now on the verge of a major bullish reversal. On Sep 18, the U.S. Federal Reserve announced the decision to lower interest rates by 50 basis points. Given that this is the first easing in over 4 years, it has triggered considerable market shakeup as widely anticipated. The meme-coin sector experienced an uptick in demand following the rate cut announcement. According to CoinGecko's market data, market movements within the last 24 hours show Pepe has emerged as the best-performing megacap meme token in the aftermath of the Fed rate cut. Pepe price surged by 7.7% over the last 24 hours, outperforming its peers Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which rose by 2.6% and 5.8%, respectively. With a current market cap under $5 billion, Pepe appears to be attracting heightened investor interest, due to its potential for more upside volatility than in larger cap counterparts. Driven by lower interest rates, additional capital inflows is expected to trickle into the crypto sector if the U.S. Fed's persists in a rates easing regime continues throughout Q4 2024. This influx of liquidity could continue to propel Pepe's price upward, especially as investors increasingly shift focus from Doge and SHIB to newer meme coins with higher growth potential. Pepe whales still missing in action. Early market reactions to the Fed rate cut shows that Pepe price has overtaken the likes of Doge and SHIB. However, a closer look at the on-chain data trends suggests that whale investors on the Pepe network are yet to join in on the buying frenzy, signaling another potential leg up ahead. Into the block large holders net flow chart tracking buying and selling trends of whale wallets, controlling at least 0.1% of a token's circulation supply. This helps to monitor whale activity around certain market events. Looking at the chart above, balances in the largest whale wallets declined by 235.44 billion Pepe on Sept 18. This shows that Pepe's recent price surge in the last 24 hours has been largely driven by retail traders, while whales cashed out over $18 million. When a crypto asset's price rises amid whale selling pressure, strategic investors may view it as a bullish signal. First, it indicates strong retail demand capable of absorbing whale sell-offs. Second, it suggests room for another price spike if whales re-enter the market. In essence, Pepe price rising 7% amid 18 million whale sell pressure signal more upside potential if when the large investor joined the buying frenzy. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1000x potential altcoins.